Ever wondered how to fix a hole in your drywall all by yourself? Whether it's the aftermath of a rowdy game night or an unfortunate mishap while moving furniture, a hole in your wall can be a real eyesore. But no worries. With a few simple tools and a bit of patience, you can make that wall as good as new. First, gather all the necessary materials. You'll need pre-mixed drywall compound, a putty knife, sandpaper or a sanding block, paint and a paintbrush for touch-ups, and optionally a drywall patch or mesh tape for larger holes. A primer may also be necessary for certain wall surfaces. Start by cleaning the hole. Remove any loose debris or edges around the hole. This step ensures that the area is clean and smooth, ready for the repair process. If you're dealing with a larger hole, it's time to apply the patch. A drywall patch or mesh tape can provide the necessary support for the compound, covering the hole effectively. Once the patch is in place, or if the hole is small enough to not need one, apply the drywall compound. Use the putty knife to fill the hole, pressing the compound into the hole and smoothing it over so it's level with the wall. Now comes the waiting game. Allow the compound to dry completely, which may take several hours or even overnight, depending on the size of the repair and the specific compound product you're using. After the compound is dry, it's time to sand the area. Using sandpaper or a sanding block, smooth the repaired area until it feels flush with the rest of the wall. The final touch is paint. Prime the area if necessary, and then paint over the patch to match the surrounding wall. And voila! Your wall is back to its former glory. Of course, don't forget to clean up after your DIY project. Clean your tools with water and dispose of any waste material appropriately. Repairing drywall is a fundamental DIY task that can keep your walls looking good as new. It's a satisfying project that not only improves your living space but also boosts your confidence in your home maintenance abilities. Not to mention, it saves you the cost and hassle of hiring a professional for minor wall damages. So roll up those sleeves and bring your walls back to life with a bit of DIY magic.